Welcome to this internal training session, focusing on a core philosophy at Swarigio, the difference between a task completer and a system builder. Our success isn't built on effort alone, but on predictable infrastructure and clarity. As Vishal Baurai, the founder, says, at Swarigio, we don't hire people to complete tasks. We build people who eliminate tasks. This philosophy means shifting our focus from manual hustle to strategic leverage. Let's look at the traditional task completer mindset, which often leads to inefficiency. This team member constantly repeats the same manual work, like sending the same type of email to every new lead, draining energy and time. They are caught in a cycle of waiting for instructions and focusing only on the immediate finite task, rather than seeing the bigger picture. Now, let's explore the system builder mindset, the foundation of leverage at Swarigio. The system builder pauses, recognizes the repetition, and sees an opportunity to create a permanent solution. They recognize that a repeated task is not just an obligation to complete, but an opportunity to build a system that works for them. There is a simple, non-negotiable process we follow to convert manual tasks into reliable infrastructure. Our rule of thumb starts here. If you did it twice, you must document it. Create an SOP or a simple guide so the process is clear. And if you did it 3 times, systemize it. This means using automations and tools to eliminate the need for manual repetition completely. This intentional approach is what separates us from the competition. We gain speed without increasing chaos. Once the system is built, the work is done quietly and consistently in the background, without requiring daily attention. This frees up your time to focus on higher leverage, strategic work that truly compounds our growth and authority in the market. This is a non-negotiable commitment for everyone at Swarigio. Remember, if you did it twice, document it. If you did it 3 times, systemize it. Every task must evolve into a repeatable process. Focus on building structure, not just increasing hustle. Let's build with intention.